Let us talk about the third kind of solution, which is isotonic. In isotonic solution, the concentration of cells outside environment is equivalent to that of its internal condition. The movement will be a free-flowing entrance and exit of molecules. An isotonic solution allows balance to be maintained within the cell and its environment. In an isotonic solution, there is an equal amount of solute and solvent for both inside and outside of the cell. Now, let us take a look on this illustration. As you can see, inside the cell and its environment, there is an equal amount of sodium, which is 10% sodium chloride and 90% of water. So, since there is an equal amount of sodium in water, what do you think is the direction of the water movement? Of course, there will be no net movement. If there is no net movement, then we can say that the cell is at equilibrium. Now take a look on this table that shows the direction of osmosis. Now if the condition is hypotonic, then the movement of water is into the cell, making the cell becomes bigger or it might burst. Now, if the condition is hypotonic, then the net movement of water will be out of the cell, which resulted to cell shrinking. Now, if the condition is isotonic, then there will be no net movement of water, making the cell at equilibrium. So, let us take a look on these three cells in different kinds of solutions, starting with isotonic solution, wherein there is no net movement of water. It is because there is an equal amount of water entering and leaving the cell. The next one, we have hypotonic solution, which can result to cytolysis or cell bursting or cell swelling. And then we have hypertonic solution, which can lead to plasmolysis or cell shrinking. Next, osmosis in red blood cells. The first picture shows the red blood cell in an isotonic solution. The second one shows the red blood cell in a hypotonic solution, making the RBC looks bigger. And the last one is the red blood cell in hypertonic solution that leads to cell shrinking. So remember, there are three kinds of solution. It could be hypertonic, hypotonic, or even isotonic. So that ends our discussion. Now, if you have questions, feel free to send DM in my messenger. That will be all for now. Goodbye everyone and keep safe. See you next meeting. God bless us all and to God be the glory.